Right now, in the sky, at this very moment, there are rocks approaching Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour. Most are small and burn up in the atmosphere. But what if a big one comes? 66 million years ago, an asteroid 10 kilometers in diameter hit Earth. That's where the dinosaurs story ended. But the real question is, what would happen if the same thing occurred today? And more importantly, could we survive? Watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you minute by minute how an asteroid impact would unfold. And the most surprising part is that what's deadly isn't the asteroid itself. First, let's talk about the asteroid's size. Imagine a rock 10 kilometers in diameter. That's a mass as large as half of Mexico City, and it's coming at 20 kilometers per second. At that speed, you'd go from Mexico City to Guadalajara in 20 seconds. Now imagine the moment of impact, T-minus 10 seconds. The asteroid enters the atmosphere. It begins to glow due to friction, but this time it doesn't burn up in the atmosphere. It's too big. T-minus 5 seconds. The sky lights up like a second sun. It can be seen from anywhere in the world. T0 moment, impact. At the moment of impact, energy 1 billion times greater than all the energy humanity has ever used in its history is released. Instantly, a 20-kilometer diameter crater forms at the impact point. But the real horror is just beginning. First minute, pieces of molten rock at 1,000 degrees are launched into the sky from the impact point. These fragments go out to space and start falling back down. Fireballs rain down all over Earth. First hour, the seismic waves created by the impact circle the entire world. Magnitude 9.0 earthquakes occur one after another. All buildings within 1,000 kilometers of the impact point collapse. But the deadliest part comes now. The impact launches billions of tons of dust into the atmosphere. These dust clouds block sunlight. Earth plunges into darkness. First week, temperature drops 10 degrees. Plants can't photosynthesize. The food chain starts to collapse. But this is just the beginning. First month, average temperature drops another 20 degrees. Most places are covered with ice. Agriculture comes to a complete halt. Millions of people start to starve. First year, the asteroid winter begins. Sunlight is reduced by 90%. The Earth's surface is almost completely dark. Temperature drops to ice age levels. 80% of vegetation disappears. So could we survive in this situation? Surprisingly, the answer is yes. As humanity, we have these advantages: advanced technology, underground shelters, canned food production, and most importantly, our ability to plan ahead. If we could detect the asteroid early, here's what we would do. First priority, change the asteroid's orbit. We can send a nuclear bomb or kinetic impactor. We only need to change its orbit by a few degrees. We force it to miss Earth. But what if we detect it too late? Then Plan B comes into action. Move people from big cities to underground shelters. Store food that will last for years. Install generators and air filtration systems. The most critical point is this: don't go outside for the first 6 months. Radiation and toxic gases poison the air. We have to stay underground and wait for the atmosphere to clear. After 2 to 3 years, the dust clouds start to disperse. Sunlight becomes visible again. But the world is now a completely different place. The climate has changed. Sea level has changed. The ecosystem has collapsed. Can humanity survive? Yes, but it would be very difficult. The population would probably be reduced by 90%. But thanks to technology, we can rebuild. The reality is that scientists are constantly scanning the sky right now. NASA has a planetary defense program. They're trying to detect approaching asteroids. And so far, no large asteroid that threatens Earth has been detected. But small ones come constantly. In 2013, an asteroid that fell in Chelyabinsk, Russia, was only 20 meters in diameter, but still 1,500 people were injured. Finally, know this: a major asteroid impact will definitely happen again. The question isn't when, but whether we'll be ready. Thanks to science, our chances are much better than the dinosaurs. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like it. Tell me in the comments, what would you do first in such a situation? And subscribe to my channel because there are many more mysteries of the universe waiting to be discovered.